Hi everyone. According to PEMDAS, division will go first. 3 divided by 1 over 3 will go first. I want to use the keep, change, flip rule where I'm going to keep the 3, but I want to write the 3 in a fraction form. Next, change the division to multiplication. And lastly, the flip. We're going to flip this fraction. So the 3 will go on top of the fraction and the 1 will go at the bottom of the fraction. And it'll be written like this, 3 over 1. Next, we multiply across. So 3 times 3 is 9 over 1 times 1 is 1. I am going to erase this part we don't need and bring down this 3 down, but in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy. 3 over 1 equals 3, does not change the 3. And then bring down the minus sign down. And let's move this 9 over 1 closer to the minus sign. And now we are subtracting two fractions with the same denominator. So we just subtract. So what is 3 minus 9? -6. Good job. Over 1. I'm erasing this part we don't need and write the -6 over 1 to this side of the board. Erase this. Bring down the plus sign and let's bring down the 3 down, but in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy. 3 over 1 equals 3, does not change the 3. And we are adding two fractions. So -6 over 1 plus 3 over 1. And the denominators are the same, so we just add. -6 plus 3 is -3 over 1. So the answer is -3 over 1 or just -3. And there you go. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to join the smartest community on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And let me draw you happy faces. Happy face here, happy face here, happy face here, happy face here, and happy face here. Bye. See you in the next video.